Welcome to CBSE English Teacher. In these slides, let's look at narrative writing for CBSE English Class 11. Let's begin with narrative writing now. First of all, let's look at introduction. A narrative is an oral or written account of an event, experience, or incident in a person's life and usually recorded in his or her own wordings. It is presented to reader or listener in a sequence of written or spoken words. Its chief characteristics are graphic details, dialogue, one or more characters, an element of drama, and fair amount of repetition. It can assume many forms: a conversation, a monologue, a poem, a story, or a drama. And this is what makes the question on a narrative one of the most challenging things in grade 11. Students should try to make their narratives as authentic as possible by adding graphic details and dialogue such that the whole experience being narrated comes alive. One should never underestimate the power of a narrative. Narrative writing is very important in our day-to-day life. It tells others the stories of our personal experiences and allows us to gain empathy and sympathy from the world around us. An individual should keep these points in his or her mind while writing a narrative. These points are: create an outline of the basic parts of your narrative. Describe your narrative using vivid details, recreating the experience for your readers or listeners. Narrate your experience keeping in mind small details that are important for your readers or listeners to know. Identify and consider removing any information that seems to distract from the focus and main thread of the story. Adhere to the word limit, which may be 120 to 150 words or 150 words to 200 words. Let's now discuss marking scheme on a scale of 10, which includes title, content, conclusion, and expression. Title carries 1 mark, content 4 marks, conclusion 3 marks, and expression 2 marks. In this slide, let us look at sample narrative on comparing life to riding on a roller coaster. Here is the sample narrative. Title. Corkscrew is the title or heading for this narrative. Remember, the title or heading of the narrative should be short, a word or a couple of words. Content. It consists of the matter of the narrative. It begins after the title and ends before the conclusion. It contains the core or central idea of the narrative. Conclusion. The narrative with a conclusion, which is the narrator's perspective on experience which he had undergone. And finally, expression. It is the way in which the narrative is expressed or the way in which the writer puts forward his thoughts. It covers the entire body of the narrative. In this and next 3 slides, some practice questions have been given along with topics. You may practice these questions well for better understanding of narrative writing. Hope you would have enjoyed all these slides on narrative writing. Thank you very much for your patience.